Hi guys, if you want to see how we went from this to this, just keep watching. For this look, I'm going to use a rat tail comb, extensions, and jam. Once I section off the hair, I am going to comb through, just making sure I get rid of all the tangles, and I'm going to apply jam at the base just to help me gather all the hair for the braid. So enjoy the video.
Please take me like bomb, yeah. Heart gon' speed so God splash on my braid. Wanna get you 당장 매력에 head 답답해 Wanna leave cannon or dash on your flavor splash on my brain. I dash on your flavor came me so bad. You're such a slayer splash on my brain. I dash on your flavor came me so bad. You're such a slayer.
Like a move, bad red shit in my shoes, pull up to your bed and never lose, ship it that we're getting loose, see me now, no can take you off, got no time, babe, please take that off, swerving on the beat, no need to get that car, swerving on the beat, no need to get that car, I get that cash and I go hard, spend all the cash on the fashion, ain't gotta talk all the shit at all, show this just let everybody talk, show this just let everybody talk, ooh, swerving with you, got me crazy, oh damn, I'm keeping on doing. 어젯밤만 네 생각에 잠도 못 이뤄 yeah. 어젯밤만 내 생각에 뭔가 잘못했어 Just care about it cause 곤란하니까 You make me dizzy 알람 머리 아파 지금도 너 생각해 Yeah yeah Just wanna keep going oh yeah 오늘 내 약속이 oh yeah 있어도 break that shit 아직 갈길 멀어 우리 사이 yeah You're so bulletproof 안기고 싶어 니뽀 지금 앉아 가사 쓰는 중 너 생각에 잠겨 yeah yeah
Crank me so bad 이건 내가 위험해 Don't tell my friends Take you I'm gon' dash Crank me so bad 이건 내가 위험해 Don't tell my friends Take you I'm gon' dash Wanna get you right now Please take me like bomb Heart gon' speed so God splash on my baby Wanna get you 당장.
Now that we're done with the braids, we're going to seal the ends. And as you can see, I'm using boiling hot water. So it's extremely important that you take your time not to burn yourself or the client. After that, I'm going to add some mousse just to make sure that her braids stay intact and are shiny and beautiful. And here's the outcome. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.